Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to win Bank Heist in Monopoly Go. So I will show you the secret Bank Heist strategy to get more money here on the Bank Heist. Well, basically, you just need to roll the dice in Monopoly Go, and if you land on the train station, like the yellow lane right here, you will get a chance to shut down a landmark's opponent, or you can make a bank heist. So for example, if we play and land on this tile, as you can see, now going to bank heist. Now, as you can see at the top, we have here small heist, large heist, and the largest heist right there, 627,000. So if you get the 3 diamonds there, you will get the largest heist. But if you get the paper money icon, you will get large heist. Then if you get this coin, you will get the small heist. So let's try to open up those cards right here. So let's open up one by one. So we can reveal here how much money we can get. So for example, as you can see, get that 3 diamonds you can see, and it will get or stole that money from your friend's account. So that's how you basically do that, how to win this bank heist on your Monopoly Go. Now, if you want more money to collect from friend's account, so you just need to adjust the button right here. As you can see, ×1. So you just need to adjust this and make multipliers on your rewards. So for example, here we just adjusted to ×20. So every time you will landed on this tile and then you will go to bank heist, the largest heist will be ×20. So yeah, that's how you basically do that, how you basically win those bank heists and get a lot of money from Monopoly Go. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.